Bellas, we have a new exclusive Perfectionist concealer in number 3. Today we're going to use on my lovely model, and I'm going to show you how to use this amazing palette. So first we're going to go with more of the skin tone color, and I love the consistency of this concealer, Bellas. You're going to get an amazing coverage. I'm using the Surratt concealer brush at the moment, but there is a new brush coming out that I definitely want to get my hands on and play with. This is just touching up my model at the end of the day. I also like to do a little around the nose area. We tend to get a little red. And then you're going to use the lighter color as a brightener to highlight. Then you get this great neutral powder, and that's going to set any concealer. So you will not have that creasing, and you will have the perfect compact to go. So now let's go with the lighter one. I like to usually use the lighter one right under the eye just to pop it a bit. Focus more on the corners. Work that corner area and lighten that corner area, and everything else will look flawless and bright. Another Surratt Beauty exclusive. As you can see, I concealed. I used the lighter one just to use this to brighten up the eye. And now we are going to set with this lovely, neutral, weightless powder that's just going to give you this nice glow, not drying. You won't have to worry about it settling in any fine lines. You can also use it on the eyelids. Great to have in your purse to settle in for the end of the day. Thank you, Surratt, for always giving us the beauty products that we didn't know we needed, but now we know I need this compact in my life. Bellas, I'm gonna show you my new baby. You know, I have some babies that I always fall in love with, but dark circles and puffiness are my major concern for complexion. And I'm so excited to give you this quick demo. Surratt Beauty. You know I go to this line. This line is a great line because Troy Surratt, the creator, has handpicked his favorite products and formulate them just for us. So it's just easy. I don't have to go do the, you know, all the nitpicking and trying and reviewing. I could just go to this line and know and be ensured that I'm gonna have a product that's gonna be result driven. So this is his new Perfectionist concealer palette. This is in number 6. There is 2 colors. So there's more of a golden, let you see, and this palette, and then there's more of a red, golden, almond golden color. Then you're gonna have your highlighting powder to set your concealer, so there will be no creasing, which is a peach, which is great for corrector. Or you can use it, excuse my allergies, the fires, or you can use it as a highlighter on the eyelids. But today we're gonna show you, let's correct these eyes. So what I like to do, believe it or not, I like to use the darker one first, Bellas. Why? Well, I am just going to kind of even out the dark circle, and I'm using the Complexion, his new Complexion brush, which is a great shape and flat, and it's really gonna fit the eye area nicely and not absorb too much product, feather it out. I apologize for the lighting. So let's go back to the darker, more golden color. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm correcting it, and now I'm gonna brighten. Let's do the other side. Let's do a little line where the bag is apparent. So what we're gonna do is even out and then brighten. Now this formula is a full coverage formula. He has 2 concealers, one in a roll-up and then the palette. Ideal for travel because you have everything you need. You can also contour it with it, which I love. I'll show you how I like to contour my nose. Just do a little shading. I like to do the sides of the nose and then a little on my tip. And then of course you're gonna blend out, Bellas. Blending is key. Blend, blend, blend. Now let's go with the golden color. And then I just like to pop the golden color right on top of that warmer tone and that will create the perfect conceal. So I'm correcting, then brightening. And that works out perfect for me. I like to prep the eye with some eye cream because it is emollient and I want my eyes to look hydrated. But the coverage is there, and I wore it out the other night, and I have to tell you, I stayed looking radiant the whole evening. This is my concern area. So if you really want a nice concealer, great for complexion as well, and under eye, definitely, let's go back. See, I see that bag right there, guys? Okay, I'm just gonna wipe it out. I'm going to cancel it out with more of the reddish color. And I'm doing this quick for you, for the video, of course. So I'm gonna cancel that out. Then I'm gonna go back with the lighter color. I'm just gonna focus on that area. This is the area I tend to sleep on too, so my sinuses tend to drain a lot more than on the other eye. And I put a little around my nose. And voila, we have the perfect concealer. Now let's set it with the powder. And I like to just go right in the corners, the sides, a little on my nose, blend out any of that. They come in 6 shades, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sure more are coming, and I hope they are, because we definitely would love more. The more shades, the better. But you see the brightness? The powder is weightless and very sheer. I also like to work it around my nose, you know. And voila, the best concealer. I'm giving you, you're my top 2 concealers, Surratt and NARS. So there you go, my girls.